Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get and use the cool Autotune filter for your TikTok and Instagram videos. It's a super fun effect that enhances your voice, and it's really easy to apply. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok and tap the plus button to start a new video. Record yourself singing, talking, or doing anything you like. Once you're done recording, tap the check mark to move to the next step. Now, to add the Autotune filter, tap on the microphone icon. This will bring up all the voice effects TikTok offers. Scroll through the list until you find the Autotune filter and tap it to apply the effect. You'll hear the Autotune effect overlay on your video in real time. Once you're happy with how it sounds, tap Save to finalize the video. And that's it. The Autotune filter is now applied, and your TikTok video is ready to share with friends and family. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.